How to create highlights on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now I am showing this video in the uploading. After uploading the story, how you can create highlights uh, after uploading the new videos, how you can do this. But if you uploaded the video, and then what you have to, you can do this by going to the archive. And I am showing this video in the by creating new story, and then I show the how to, you can create the highlights. So what you have to do is you have to upload a story, and after uploading the your new story, then what you have to do is you have to click on the your story, and then here you can see the highlight option. So you have to click on the highlights option in the bottom, and then you can name it anything that you want. Let's see, I name it this stuff things. You can name it anything, and then you have to click on the add, and here you can see it is added to your profile. And then it will also option to view on the profile. You have to click on this, and when you go to your profile, then here you can see these highlight options. If you long hold this highlights in the your uh, profile picture, you can see the option of edit highlight. You can also edit highlight or delete highlight. So that's it, that how you can create highlights on Instagram story after uploading new story. But if you have uploaded the a story, and after that you can do this by going through the archive. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.